Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed. I am about to bring my daughter somewhere. I should be doing my 3 listings first thing this morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring these mugs because I'm gonna pass right by the post office anyways, and then we'll get back and do the 3 listings. All right, back from post office, ready to get started working. Actually, I have been working already. I listed my 3 things. If y'all haven't heard about it before, the new thing I'm doing is, regardless of what's going on, I'm listing 3 things as soon as I get in the shed. Although this morning I didn't do it as soon as I got in here. I had to go do something else first. But before I've done any work in here, I listed these 3 figures, not high dollar or anything. 2 of them I listed for $15 a piece, plus shipping on top. And one of them, this guy's supposed to go somewhere else, and then one of them I listed for $35. So only what's 65 in listings, but I got my 3 items done. That's the rules. That's the rules of my game now. So we're gonna pull some orders now, and then after I pull orders, I'm thinking I'm probably going to finally get around to listing the Joker. The big Joker statue and the Batman statue. Probably going to do that today, but we'll see. I might not. Been kind of holding off on that for whatever reason. I've listed a ton though out of that last buy. 10, 12, 32. I've listed about 3,500 out of that last buy so far, which is really good. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull some orders. All right, first order up is Zelda. I forgot the name of it, but I'll know it when I see it. Here we go. Zelda Skyward Sword for Wii. Incomplete, does not have manual, does have soundtrack, so it's got game and soundtrack in here. I sold this for $18.99 plus shipping on top. All right, y'all may remember a while back I bought a bunch of shoes for $3 a pair, 17 pairs for 51 total, or 50 total, somewhere in there. And I sold a pair of, these off of here. I sold this pair of Adidas, and the buyer included a message. These are actually pretty cool, huh? The buyer included a message that said, are these women's size 9? If not, like it's stated in your listing, if not, please cancel and refund. So US 9, UK 7.5. All right. Well, are they women's size 9? You know what I'll do? I put that they're women's size 9. I must have looked up like the style number and found out that they're women's shoes, but let me check like a size chart. I'll see if UK 7.5 equals a women's 9 or a men's 9. Let me look. Okay, I went to this site. I just Googled this, evo.com Adidas shoe size chart, and I found, I went down to women's US 9, and it's saying that's equivalent of a UK 7.5, a European 41.3, and a men's 8. And these 7.5 and 41.3 are exactly what are on this tag. So that tells me, if this chart is correct, that these are indeed a women's size 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and ship. Wish me luck. What I get for these anyways? I got $23.74 plus shipping on top. Okay, I sold a couple of these Disney things here. Oops, I need to move these boxes. These are empties. I need to take about an hour at some point, might not be today, and do some more rearranging out here. I sold 2 things. I sold this one, Pink Centaurette Romantic Reflections, and I sold another one that's similar to that. It must be this one that's turned. Yep, I bet it is. All right, let me grab this one, then I'll come back and get to that box. I think that's going to be the one I need. But I don't see the breakdown, but I got for the 2 figures I got $118 plus shipping on top. And yes, this is the other one here, Blue Centaurette, Beauty and Bloom. Yep, $118 plus shipping on top. If y'all didn't catch, whenever I bought these last week, I bought all of them for $300. There were 20 pieces, so I paid on average $15 a piece. So in this case, these are some, I would say these are probably the average price figs here, I would say, more or less. There are some that are in excess of $100, but on average they're, well, on average they're they're like 55 bucks a piece. So average gross profit is 40 bucks before fees. All right, sold a graphic novel, a Joker graphic novel, The Clown Prince of Crime. Here it is, right here. Sweet. $9.99 plus shipping on top. This is actually sealed, brand new, sealed. And yeah, this is going to go media mail. It's a comic, but this kind of comic doesn't have any ads in it. Another one of these Disney things sold. Actually, this broom right here. This one, this was one of the lower value. This is one of the ones that surprised me. Some of them surprised me with how high they were. A few surprised me with how low they were. I got $28.49 plus shipping on top for this one, for the broom. Sold another key fob. This is going to be key fob number 28 that I've sold. I've got all these in this bucket, and I've got another bucket right here that I need to combine because they'll all fit in here now. But yeah, I spent $150 on about 100 of these about a year ago, and I've sold through 28 of them now. This will go down as the best buy I've ever made. And once it's all said and done, it may take 5 years to sell them all. But yeah, $66.49 plus shipping on top for that one. Last sale on main account is a Batman. I think it's this big guy here. It's got to be. I'll double check though. It's a 1/6 scale statue, which ends up being about 12 inches, of course. Let me double check this box, make sure. Really need to double check this one, make sure it's the right one. Boom. That. Oh. Unless the back is different. Oh, wait, is this the wrong one? This ain't the right one. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get the right one. That was actually not it. I was shocked. Must be up here. I just assumed that had to be it. All right, this is the one here. Okay. Let me put that other one back. That would be a major mistake to ship the wrong one of those. That's it right here. 1/6 scale icon statue. So yeah, $142.99. Is that what it was? I think that's what it was. If not, the price is on the screen, plus shipping on top. Okay, last thing. This is actually my one and only viewer sale today. This is going out to, let me pull this up again. This is going out to Dave. Dave is a fellow content creator too. He has a YouTube channel called Midwest Picker, and he makes reselling content there. So go check Dave out over there at Midwest Picker. He bought a World War II photo, 2 Red Cross women at desk. So I need to find that real quick. I bought these last year at the Highway 70 sale for $5 for a big bag of photos. And I don't know, I think I've sold, actually I have one good sale. Oh, World War II Red Cross woman at desk, not women. Here she is. That's her right there. Cool photo. But I bought like a big bag of them, or you know, Ziploc type bag of them for $5. And one order was pretty good. I think I sold like, this is late last year, I think I might have sold like 8 photos in one order for like 30 or 40 bucks. And then other than that, I've sold a few singles. It hasn't been fast. I think that's just the nature of this kind of stuff, which I don't have a lot of it, but these are really cool. These photos are really cool. So again, Dave, thank you very much for the order, and good luck with your channel, man. All right, that's all the orders for today. I actually haven't sold anything today yet. It's kind of odd. I didn't sell anything over like early this morning. I don't think, no, I didn't. Like usually I'll wake up and I'll have a sale or two. Sometimes a good one. This morning I woke up, looked at my phone first thing like I always do, and there was nothing there. So hopefully things will pick up today. I'm gonna get this stuff packed, and then we'll see what else we get into. Candace has joined us out in the shed. Hey Candace.
How y'all doing?
So got all the mugs out today. Candace did design the mugs, and for those of you that wanted a mug and didn't get one, the first run was kind of short because we wanted to test the whole thing out, see how it worked. It worked well. Candace did the next, she designed actually the next mug.
Yeah, so we'll have another mug coming out in a few weeks. Different design, limited number, a little more than last time, but it's still going to be a limited number.
It's a considerable amount more though.
Yeah. And I think y'all are really going to like these.
Yeah. Yeah, we went a little bit. I think we did a little better job on these than the last ones. But we did want to show y'all. Okay, first, what is this website?
Okay, so every fall here in Baton Rouge we have a walk called the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk, and the money raised does go to the American Cancer Society. So the last 2 years we finished second place, and this year I want first place. But yeah, it goes to the American Cancer Society. The money goes, you know, to research, of course, but they also help people that are afflicted with cancer to get them to treatments and help them out, you know, with whatever they need. So yeah, it's a really great cause, and it's personal to me.
And also education, early detection, all that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah, they do. Yep. Free mammograms, all that good stuff. So yeah. The
mugs. The reason doing the self-fulfillment on the mugs is to raise more money, because we could have done like the print on demand or whatever,
right, and
you get some money from that, but I thought we could raise more money by actually ordering the mugs ourselves, fulfilling orders ourselves, and it would be more personal too.
Right.
So anyways, the first round went really well. It sold out really fast. And so we are going to go to Candace's team page. Where is it? There. Worst parade ever. Here we go. And we're going to go ahead and donate now. As you can see, there's $0. You just started this other day, huh?
I made the team like 2 days ago.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and donate now. And we are going, I'm not going to show you all my financial information, of course.
Oh, come on now.
But we're gonna
trust them.
We're gonna donate $720. That's $10 for each mug. All right, here's the landing page for the donation. Your donation of $720 has been applied towards Worst Parade Ever's fundraising goal. And let's see, if I click on that, we've raised $720. So that's awesome. Thank everyone so much that bought a mug. There will be more chances to buy a mug. You can also go directly to the page. I'm going to put a link right down below in the description if you'd like to just donate directly. That's awesome too. That link is right there. But there are more mugs coming. So yeah, thanks again, y'all. $720. That is strong. Oh, Oh, I have one more donation I need to put in. Someone sent me money directly. Hang. Okay, so one of our viewers, Dale, sent me $25 directly. And Dale, I just applied it to the fundraiser. So thanks a lot. I appreciate that.
Yeah, thanks, Dale.
Yeah, and yeah, I think we're gonna win this year. We have raised like a ton of money over the past 2 years for this.
Every time I think we're in the lead, and then sometimes people turn money in at the walk, and bam, I get knocked down.
Yeah, we're currently in. It says we're number 2 out of 16 teams.
Yeah.
So we're gonna end up being number 1 in the next week or two, and hopefully we can hold it. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks a lot. I know I ask y'all, like, there's really 2 times a year I ask for this kind of thing. It's for the cancer walk. I ask for money, and then I also ask for money for Girl Scout cookies. And other than that, I don't ask for money. But it's all her fault. No, not really. I'm just kidding.
It's all for me.
Yes. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see y'all again next time. And thanks again for all the support with the fundraiser. Really appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.